All right, hey guys, Jason with Fender Garage. It's been a while since I've done a video, so just been super busy down here at the shop. But we've got this cool truck. By request of the customer, he decided he wanted to put a QA1 drive shaft in it. So that's what's in this box. As you can see, the writing all over it. It's made out of carbon fiber, has good heavy duty universal joints on it. I think they use the 1350 universal joints on it, so very heavy duty, can handle tons and tons of horsepower, and they don't break, and they're super lightweight. So what we've taken out is, oh, you can just like curl this thing. So we've got this pretty cool, old school, works well, probably 40 pounds at least, and not terribly heavy, but this is what was in it, and so we're going to put in the new carbon fiber one. So I'll set this back down. We'll unwrap this a little bit. We actually haven't even pulled it out yet. So, so we've got this here, and it's much lighter. I'd say it's probably half the weight. I bet it doesn't weigh, shoot, maybe 20 pounds. But you can take a look at that. That's actually a super nice quality part right there. Perfectly balanced. It'll do a phenomenal job, and we're gonna get this put in. So we'll get this in. This will take care of the new drive shaft that he wanted, and then we can get this back on the ground, wheels back on it, and we'll get ready to hit the road and go try it out. So better get to work. Actually, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna get Ben to come over and do it for me because I got too much other crap to do.